So what is going on, guys? It is your boy, my name is Drew, back at it again with a fresh new video. I did a poll on YouTube and only 4 people voted, so shout out to those 4 people. You know who you are. 3 of the 4 people voted for tech videos, because here's how I look at it. If I only make shoe videos, then it's literally like going to the zoo and only looking at the monkeys. What about the giraffes? What about the zebras? What about, the lion? But if that doesn't work, we can go back anyway, so it's all Gucci. So what I got over here is a Sony speaker. This probably is the go-to speaker for the summer if you're looking for some speakers. So basically, this variation of the Sony speaker is known as the SRS, that's XP51G LTE WXZ plus 4. Man, could you not think of a simpler term? Anyways, that's besides the point. Its price point is at $300 US. Yes, it is pretty expensive because it has a lot of features to it. Number 1, it has extra bass. It also is water resistant and dust proof, has a 16-hour battery life, has live sound mode, which we'll get into. It also has RGB lighting, a USB-C type connector, and last but certainly not least, voice recognition. Now inside the box, there's not really much to it aside from the speaker and a standard charger, and there is no USB-C type cable inside, so you're gonna have to have, which is kind of lame because you're paying this much, you expect to at least get that. And at the same time, there's no sticker. Come on, what's up with that? It's 2019. Can we not get a sticker to put on laptops or whatever we want? They low-key slept on. Companies low-key sleep on stickers. Now, the only color it comes in is black, which is not really a problem because this is the type of speaker that you take around places. So if it was white, it'd get scuff marks easily. So on the bottom, it features a subwoofer, which is, of course, for the bass, and 2 tweeters up at the top for the treble. Now, with the controls on top, it's pretty simple. Just your on and off button, control features like pause and play, Bluetooth, a light button for the RGB colors, mute button, a live button, and a battery button to tell you how much you have left. Not much going on in the sides, and in the very back you have a holder to help you carry the speaker around, and it's not really that heavy. I would say maybe 1 pound maximum. And in the back, you can see it has 2 ports, one for the charging and one for the USB-C. When you turn on the speaker, you have basically some indicator lights, and you can put this on a tripod. It does have some threading in the bottom for the tripod screw to go in. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Hey Google, what's up?
Check it out. Here's my impression of a paperweight.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I know some of y'all who got Google Homes just triggered it right now. All by me. I got you. But we don't discriminate. Hey Alexa. Hey Siri. Okay, alright. Sorry about that. Hey Google. How's my YouTube channel?
Your YouTube channel is trash.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking.
Come on, $5. I'll give you $5 and then we'll be good.
But still like and subscribe.
Okay, I'll take that. It's very difficult to get the true sound from the speaker. It actually does sound like you're in a live concert, but to be quite honest, I'd rather not keep it on live because it doesn't sound as rich. It sounds like like the music is dissipating instead of with force. I don't know how to really explain it. Now it is water resistant, so we're gonna test it right now, and yeah, wow. Yeah, well, it's true. I mean, that looks pretty water resistant to me, right? Nah, I'm just joking. But this is actually meant to be put in the side of the pool, so when you're splashing around and everything, doing cannonballs, flips into the pool, off the diving board, you don't have to worry about the water seeping into the speaker. Now, the coolest feature is by far the RGB lights, and it basically mimics the sound of the music. So the more bass there is, the subwoofer will flash, and if there's more kicks and snares going on, the lights will flash at the very top, and it looks pretty cool at night. It could definitely be used for parties which is the main purpose of it. And if you get a bunch of these, like, you can get something going on. Overall, it's a pretty good Bluetooth speaker. It's really crisp in sound. The bass is very powerful, and it really hits the high and low tones pretty easily. And it has a lot of features. It is a bit pricey, but then again, it is a Google Assistant substitute. So, like, let's say if you're getting Google Mac, you're better off taking this, because not only you can plug in the wall and leave it there, you could also take it around just like a normal Bluetooth speaker. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, until next time, guys. Peace.